We will begin with a presentation from our colleagues in Germany, who will speak us from a very special place in Berlin. Hi, Germany.
Hi! Hey, do you know Hermann Minkowski and his idea of the space-time? Is he still famous? Why always mathematics? Did he have children? Family and early childhood. He was born on the 22nd of June in 1864 in Alexota, back then the Russian Empire, which is now Lithuania. He was the son of Rachel and Lewin Minkowski and had one older brother who was called Oskar Minkowski. Because his family had Jewish roots, they were forced to flee from the persecution in Russia. He received an early education at home until he was 7 years old. We ask ourselves, was his first language Russian or German?
Hi. His life as a teenager. Since 1872, he attended a gymnasium in Königsberg and graduated in 1880 at the age of 15. Since 1880, he studied 5 semesters at the University of Königsberg. He studied 3 more semesters in Berlin. At the age of 18, he won the Paris Academy's Grand des Sciences Mathematics in 1882. And we ask us, why did he go to Berlin instead of staying in Königsberg? And teacher. Back in Königsberg, he received his doctorate in 1885. So then in Germany, in Bonn and Königsberg since 1894 to 1869, but also in Zurich in Switzerland since 1896 to 1902. Was he one of Albert Einstein's math professors. He married Auguste Adler in 1897 and had 2 daughters. He went back to Germany, Göttingen in 1902. Did he get on well with his colleagues and students?
Hello. I'm going to tell you about Hermann Minkowski's important ideas and works. Hermann Minkowski developed the famous theory of a 4-dimensional room, today called Minkowski space. The Minkowski space summarizes the room dimension and the time. The speed of light, x-time, is the 4th distance disclosure. It requires very high capacity for abstraction. Hermann Minkowski wrote some books which explain new mathematical problems and new ways to solve all problems. But I know you think, are his works still ready today?
Hello. With 44 years, early death and posthumous fame. With 44 years, Minkowski got a sudden rupture of the appendix. At this time, surgical procedures were not common. Because of that, would an operation not save him. In his last 2 hours, he tried to complete